let me introduce myself. You think I'm lost down? Well, I just begin.